I had the pleasure of making a few things for my cousin Toya's baby shower. Look at what I made. My first piece that I made for Toya was a baby blanket, double-sided with this ombre ribbon. The video that I use for reference is listed in the comment section and also here, so you can see who I got the inspiration from. Fairly easy tutorial to follow. Follow her as well. I want to go a little slow so you can see she has 2 macrame pacifier clips there made by my friend Kaylee. Shouts out to Kaylee. Let me know if you want information on her. I also made a crinkly toy, 2 bibs, and 2 birth cloths for the new baby. The mom-to-be steps in all her glory. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how beautiful this Black Queen is? Look at her. She's just glowing.
She know me. Like you want to wear. And another little dress. What you trying to say? We gotta go to church now. You got no excuse. No excuse. And another purple dress. This is from Beverly. Okay, y'all. Beverly. Let me tell y'all. Beverly is her and Janae, but mainly Beverly. They like the registry queens. And Beverly got me all the way together. She had me signed up for Infamil, Huggies, Pampers. Y'all know I don't know none of this stuff, so she came through. Beverly texted me at 7 o'clock in the morning. Ready. There's a lot of stuff in here. That's a lot, y'all. Some doves. Some doves. White tender. Everything. It's Parents Magazine. Come on, tell it. Oh yeah, it's cool. I can keep it chill. The manga. Oh yeah. This manga was good. Yeah. I got some breastfeeding stuff in here, y'all. Five.